Artificial intelligence was once thought to be limited to research labs and sci-fi films. Now it's in your phone, car, grocery cart, and possibly even your refrigerator. AI technology products are expanding faster than anyone anticipated. From smart assistants that manage your calendar to tools that write, create, and even code for you, AI is no longer a fad, it is becoming a way of life. But here's the real question: what exactly are customers seeking in AI products? Is this all hype, or is there something deeper fueling the tremendous demand? Let's look at what's really going on and why the AI boom is only getting started. The AI gold rush is real. We are currently experiencing what many refer to as the AI gold rush. AI gained popularity after the public release of tools such as OpenAI's ChatGPT. It was no longer limited to engineers and data scientists. Students, marketers, small company owners, and even grandparents began to experiment with it. Soon after, digital behemoths like Google and Microsoft rushed their own AI integrations. AI has progressed from being a feature to being the primary selling point for products. However, underlying the showy launches and billion-dollar investments is a fundamental truth. People do not buy AI because it is AI. They buy it to solve difficulties. Number 10. People want time back. If you ask most users why they like AI technologies, the answer is surprisingly simple: they save time. AI automates repetitive operations such as email generation, document summarization, photo editing, and customer assistance. And in a world where everyone is busy, that is extremely valuable. For example, entrepreneurs utilize artificial intelligence to write product descriptions in minutes. Students employ artificial intelligence to simplify research. Content developers create outlines instantly. Time is the new currency. AI technologies that promise to offer customers hours back are gaining traction quickly. The most effective AI technologies do not shout advanced neural networks. They say calmly, "Let me handle this for you." Number 9. Simplicity over complexity. Here's an interesting fact: most people don't care how AI works. They do not want to learn about machine learning models or training data. They prefer a clean interface and clear outcomes. When Apple incorporates AI into its products, it rarely advertises the technological intricacies. It focuses on the user experience, including smarter photo search, predictive text, and improved battery optimization. People are attracted to AI goods that feel easy, intuitive, non-technical, and plug-and-play. The rise of AI technologies is not the result of people becoming computer masters overnight. It is happening because artificial intelligence is finally becoming invisible. Invisible technology is powerful. Number 8. Personalization is king. Personalization is a significant reason why AI products are becoming so popular. People prefer items that feel suited to them, not generic. AI makes this feasible. Streaming services propose shows depending on their viewing histories. Shopping applications suggest what you might buy next. Fitness apps customize routines based on your performance. Artificial intelligence transforms mass-produced services into individualized experiences. This is why AI-powered services keep people engaged for longer. When something seems made for you, you're more likely to stick around. Personalization is no longer a luxury, it is expected. Number 7. Smart home AI is becoming normal. A few years ago, communicating with your home seemed futuristic. Today, it is typical. Devices like an Amazon Echo and Google Nest are commonplace in houses. People purchase AI-enabled products to control lights, adjust the thermostats, play music, lock the doors, and monitor security. What are they actually looking for? Convenience and control. AI in the home is not about complexity, it is about making modest changes that make daily life easier. Turning off lights without getting out of bed is simple, and once tried, people rarely go back. Number 6. AI for creativity is booming. One of the most unexpected AI eruptions is occurring in the artistic industry. Tools that generate graphics, music, video, and text are continuously expanding. Designers employ artificial intelligence to accelerate their brainstorming process. Musicians experiment with AI-generated beats. Writers employ artificial intelligence for drafting and editing. AI is now augmenting, not replacing creativity. Instead of gazing at a blank page, creators now begin with a draft. Instead of spending hours manually editing images, AI recommends rapid enhancements. People aren't expecting AI to replace them, they are searching for AI to partner with them. That's a significant adjustment. Number 5. Business automation is driving massive demand. Small and medium-sized firms are driving a significant portion of the AI boom. Customer care chatbots, automated email marketing, and AI-powered analytics are all solutions that help businesses cut expenses while increasing efficiency. Large organizations are incorporating AI profoundly into their ecosystems. Tesla, for example, employs artificial intelligence in its self-driving systems. Amazon employs artificial intelligence for logistics and product recommendations. Yet what about small businesses? They seek inexpensive AI that increases sales, reduces staff workload, improves the consumer experience, and provides data insights. AI tools that are affordable and simple to apply are rapidly gaining popularity. Number 4. Trust and privacy concerns are growing. Here is the opposite side of the explosion: skepticism. As AI grows more powerful, consumers are posing significant questions. Where does my info go? Is my data being stored? Can artificial intelligence misuse my content? Trust is increasingly being used as a competitive advantage. Companies that value transparency and security will outperform in the long term. Users are eager to embrace AI, but not naively. They want assurance that their data is secure and their privacy is respected. The friction between convenience and privacy will influence the next generation of AI products. Number 3. Mobile AI is the next battleground. Smartphones are becoming AI hubs. Companies are rushing to build more AI functions directly into devices rather than depending solely on cloud services. Why? Because people want faster reactions, offline functionality, better privacy, and seamless integration. AI that operates directly on your phone appears more personal and secure. Expect future smartphones to aggressively sell AI capabilities, much as they did with camera quality. And in fact, AI could soon define smartphone competitiveness. Number 2. AI in health and wellness. Health-focused AI products are gradually gaining popularity. People are looking for solutions to improve their well-being, such as AI-powered fitness tracking and mental health chat buddies. Users want present-day health insights, predictive alerts, personalized workout plans, and nutritional guidance. AI does more than just track data, it interprets it. That is the difference. As healthcare expenses climb, AI technologies that provide preventative insights may become one of the most important development areas in technology. Number 1. The real driver: control. Underneath all the trends, features, and glitzy marketing, there is one overarching goal driving the AI revolution: control. People are overburdened by information, work pressures, and daily commitments. AI technologies promise to restore order to chaos. They organize calendars, filter emails, recommend decisions, and anticipate needs. AI feels like a digital assistant that helps consumers remain ahead rather than continually catching up. That psychological comfort is strong. The future: AI everywhere. We're still in the early stages of AI integration. Soon, AI will not be referred to as AI-powered. It will just be expected. AI will become the standard, much as internet connectivity has. Cars will drive more intelligently, homes will adapt automatically, work software will anticipate duties before people inquire. The explosion we're witnessing today may seem insignificant in comparison to what comes afterward. Today's AI businesses are defining the next digital era rather than simply developing tools. AI technology goods are booming not because they are futuristic, but because they are useful. People want to save time, simplify activities, personalize experiences, and manage their lives. That is the true demand fueling this huge expansion. The hoopla may capture headlines, but functionality retains user loyalty. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into everyday life, the technologies that feel more like trusted partners will emerge as the clear victors. The AI wave is not slowing down. In reality, it's only beginning. And what was the smartest move? Pay attention to what people actually need, not simply what sounds amazing.